Good morning to you all.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Can you remind me what were we talking about last time? Where did we stop? Yeah. Talking about? Just she's speaking. Please listen to her. Yeah.
We talked about a few and a little.
Good. Little and a little. Few and a few. Good. Thank you. Now, what's the main difference between little and a little as a group and few and a few as another group? Yes, please.
Few and a few, we use with a count. With count.
Okay, good. Few and a few are used with count nouns. Thank you. Little and a little with non-count nouns. Good. Thank you. Now, what's the difference between few and a few? Yes, please.
Few used with negative.
Negative situations, negative ideas. Good. A few with positive. Good. Can you give me an example? Now, listen. If you students are absent now, and we started, so we could start because a few students are absent, still did not come. Most of the students came, right?
Yes.
But if a few students did not come, we can't start. Yes, we should wait. That's right. Good. Yeah, give me an example. Use few or a few in a sentence, in a situation. Yes, please.
Poor children have few toys.
Thank you. Good. Another example. Okay. Now let's come to little and a little. Little is used with negative situations or ideas, and a little with positive. That's right. Now, this tea has very little sugar. Do I like the tea or not? No. Okay. Yeah, it means I want some more sugar. Good, thank you. And we use very to make the meaning stronger, to emphasize the idea or the meaning. Thank you. Now we have an exercise here. I'd like you all to take part. Number 1. Yes, please, come. Read it and do it.
Ben is having a little trouble adjusting to high school. He seems to be unpopular. Unfortunately, he has a few friends.
Okay, now look. He's having trouble adjusting. Is it a positive or a negative situation? Negative situation. So we use what? This we are talking about friends, okay? Now few is okay, but what do you think of very few? Very few. Yeah, it makes the meaning stronger. Write it before. Thank you. Good. Very few. Very is written between two brackets, you know, because you can say very few. It's a good sentence. But to emphasize the meaning, to make the meaning stronger, we use what? Thank you. Yes, please.
We are looking forward to our vacation. We are planning to spend a few days with my folks and then a few days with my husband's folks.
Thank you. Why did you use a few?
Because it's a positive situation.
Good. And we are talking about count nouns. Thank you. You are right. Next one. Yes, please. Come.
I was so hungry, so I ate
Mm-hmm.
a few.
A few. So can you explain why did you use this answer? It's a good answer. But why did you use it?
Positive situation and let's count now.
That's right. Good. Another one. Next one. Yes, please. Okay. Read.
Because the family is very poor, the children have very few toys.
Okay. Complete.
And the parents have to work 2 jobs, so they have little time to spend with their children.
Little or very little? Thank you. Very little time. You are right, but can you explain your answer?
Because it is a negative situation.
That's right.
With,
Yeah, very poor. okay, and very little time to spend with the children.
If we say few,
Just a minute. Yeah, تفضلي.
if we say few,
Uh-huh.
very few, different,
Again.
few and very few.
Uh-huh. It's okay if you say few without very. It's good. It's a good answer. Okay. But you know, you emphasize the meaning. You make the meaning stronger. Yes, please. Next one.
So each one, a little room must be.
Okay. Okay, good. What do you understand from this proverb? This is a famous saying in English. Okay, what does it mean? Yeah.
I understand that
Thank you,
in
yeah.
real life there must be something. No life is perfect.
Okay, nothing is perfect. There should be some troubles, okay?
Yeah.
Don't think that troubles are only in Gaza. Okay, everywhere. Everywhere. Nothing is perfect. Okay. Next one, تفضلي.
Natasha writes she usually adds a little
She usually adds little or a little. She likes sweet. Huh. To be sweet enough, she needs a little. Okay? Yeah.
uncountable noun and
Okay, little milk. Thank you very much. A little or a little? Uh-huh. A little. A little. Good. What's on? Now look at the new expressions. One, each, every. One, each, every. Okay? I say what? One car, one student, one man, one child, one boy. Okay? So they are followed by what? Singular count nouns. And what type of verb? A singular needs what? A singular verb. A singular noun, singular verb. So every student what? Has. Each student has. One student has. Don't use a plural noun after any of these words. Okay? Usually, every student should study hard. Every student is responsible on herself, and so on. So now we have three expressions. One, each, every are followed by what? Singular nouns and singular verbs. Good. Now look at the other group. Look, this is one of the students. This is one of. When I say one of, it means I'm talking about a group, right? I'm talking about a group. So one of the students, each of the students, or each one of the students, every one of the students. Remember the previous words, one, each, every. This is one of the, each of the, and every one of the. Look, they are followed by what? Plural nouns. But singular verbs. Okay? Now when I say one of the students was, maybe Fatma was, Khadija was, Huda was, and so on. I'm talking about one, singular. Now, they are, as you see, followed by what? Plural count nouns. Don't use any other nouns. Don't use singular count. Don't use non-count nouns. Look at the two examples. Everyone and everyone. What's the difference between the two words? Who can tell me? Khadija.
Everyone, two words is an expression of quantity.
Okay, this is what? Two words. Everyone. Everyone, okay? Yeah, go on.
I have read every one of those books.
Yeah, I have two books. I have read every one of those books. I have read this book and this book. Okay? This is everyone. So again, this is expression of quantity. One is an expression of a quantity. Yeah, go on. This is what? One word. This is one word. What about that? Yeah?
One word is an indefinite pronoun.
That's right.
It has the same,
Indefinite pronoun. Go on.
it has the same meaning of
Everybody. Yes. Everybody should study hard. Everybody, okay, has a book, for example. Everyone has a book. Yeah. Every means everybody has a book. Yeah, this is an example. Now I have, look, everyone and everyone. Okay, two words and one word. This is an expression of a quantity, and this is an, yeah, a pronoun. Yeah, indefinite pronoun. Okay? It is like every day and every day. When I say Palestine is an everyday newspaper, and I come to school or to the university every day. I come to the university every day. This is everyday adverb. Okay? And Palestine is an everyday newspaper. We write it one word, but I come to the university every day, this two words. Now, look, each and every have the same meaning. Each is used when the speaker is thinking of one person or thing at a time. Now, when I say each student has a book, it means this student has, this student has, this student has, and so on. Each student has a book. Mary has a book, and each one has a book. Every is used when the speaker means all. Every student has a book. It means all of the students have books. Okay, all of the students. Now, every student should study hard. Is anybody excluded?
No.
No, it means all. Okay? Every student is responsible for the result.
All the students.
All the students, okay? But when I say each student has a book, each student, it means she has. I'm thinking of one student, okay? Not of the group. But when I say every, I'm thinking of what? All. That's right. This is an exercise. We want to do it together. Number one. Yes, come, please. Then you. Get ready. Yes, come. Come. Yes, save time. Only one of the girls. Good. Yeah, تفضلي. Next one. And you come. Yeah, number 3.
Each of the children got a present.
You are right. Each of the children.
Mr. Hober
Number 3, children. Number 4, to each child. You are right. Thank you. Yes, please, you two come. Yes, you two. What's that? Don't clean my hand, please. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Of the members. Good. 7 and 8. Yes, please come. You too. And 10. Come, please. Which one you are doing? Number 7. Yes. One. Read it.
One student stayed after class asked.
One student. You are right. Thank you. One of the students. Good. Next one. Yeah. One of the students. Good. And finally, this is the last one.
Oh, there's one that's
Each of
the students.
لا.
this. Each of. This is, look, each student. Each student. But this is each of. Each of the students. Okay, each of the students. What did you do?
9.
You did number 9. Every student, you are right. Number 9, this is singular. You are right. Yes, come, please. Then you come.
Each of the students joined the conference.
Student and each of the students. Good. Thank you. Now correct the errors. Correct the errors. Some sentences don't contain any errors. Now, first of all, let's identify the errors in the sentences. Number 1, read please. Where is the error?
Which is this?
Where is the error? Yeah, number 3. Number 3. Yeah, the teacher.
The teacher gave each of the students a test paper.
Okay.
Each of the students.
Now, so this is the error. Each of
The students.
the students. How can we correct it? Can you? Just a minute. This is the error. Okay. Well, this is, you can say each of the students. That's right. This is one way. Each of the students. Or each student. Very good. Write it. Each student.
Doctor, it is necessary to do of each of them.
It is. He says he wants you to correct the errors.
I know, but it's important to use.
Yes, of course. With that, it is not accepted without that. Each student. Thank you. Come, please. Where is the error?
No change in the.
No change. Every okay, you are right. So come, do number 5. Right, no change, and do number 5.
Number 5.
Number 4, no change. 4, no change. She is right. What about 5? Read it, please. No change. Read 5. Read 5 and do it.
Spain is one of the countries I am in.
Yeah.
One of the countries.
Very good. One of the countries. Thank you. Number 6. Number 6. Yeah, come, please.
Every furniture is that is made of. هنا بتجي furniture plural.
ممكن.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. Where is the error? Where is the error?
No, furniture.
Furniture. Okay. Furniture is a non-count noun. And every is used with car. I say every student, every car, every day, and so on. So now every furniture, this is the error, right? Furniture, underline it. Underline it. Now how can I make furniture singular? How can I make it singular? You know, every piece of. This is one way. Thank you. Write it. Write it there at the end. Every piece, i.e. Yeah. Every piece of furniture.
Or every one of.
Just a minute.
TI.
Furniture. Right, furniture. Now, another way. Yeah.
We can say a lot of furniture.
We can.
No.
Now, you know, you cannot say, you can, you know, we don't want to change every. We want to change the error. This is the error, furniture. Okay? So, we can use it in another way. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, how can we use it another way? Yeah.
We can change furniture and put chair.
Mm,
No, furniture, everything.
thank you.
We can change furniture and put everything in that room.
Everything in that room. It will include people also. Okay? Now, what about if I say, for example, all of? Can I say all of the furniture?
All of the furniture.
No, not every. Instead of every, I say all of. All of. Okay?
We say we can't change everything.
You are right, I said. Good. So, this is, we changed it. So, we want to look again for your answer. What was your answer? A lot of. Yeah, a lot of is used with count and non-count. Good. So, now, all of the furniture and another answer, a lot of. And can I say all the furniture without of? Can I say all the furniture? Yeah. So this is another way. All the furniture, all of the furniture, every piece of furniture. Yeah.
But you say we can't change everything.
So we changed it. We are talking about the same answer. Okay?
We can use a lot, we know that, but
Okay.
in this sentence
We changed it and I accepted her answer. Okay? Now next sentence, number 7. Yeah. Now, where is the error? Equipment. Why it is an error? It is non-count noun, and we use. Okay, good. So how can we write it, correct it? We say. Okay, yeah, some of. That's right. It's a good answer. Some of. Completed. Some of the equipment. Write it. Complete it. We want to look for other answers. Okay? Some of the equipment or... No, don't say that. Yes, thank you.
One of the machines in our office.
Okay, good. Come. It is a good answer. One of the machines.
What about little equipment?
Just a minute. So, some of the equipment. One of the machines or
Little equipment.
can I use piece? Yeah, what shall I say?
Piece of equipment.
Who's the speaker? Yeah,
Piece of equipment.
piece or a piece? Can I say book? Can I say I read book?
No.
I ate sandwich? No. So you have to say a piece.
Can we say little equipment?
No. Because, here we want to talk about one. Little doesn't mean one.
Very.
Doesn't
Some.
mean one.
Some means one.
Okay. So one of the equipment in our office is broken. We use some. We use some. It gives the same meaning. Okay. Another way, we want to use piece. Yeah. What was your answer?
A piece.
A piece of. Yes. Come and write it. And this is another answer. Or we can also say one of. One of. Who can complete if I start with one of? One of the pieces. One of the pieces of equipment. Yeah, what did you want to say, Yasmin?
When she says some of the, one of the sum of, we delete one.
No, grammatically it is accepted. Okay, yes, because some means a part and one means a part. In this sense, it is taken. So you have more than one answer. Number what now? 8. Number 8. Yes, please. Read it.
I give a present to each of the women in the room.
Okay, so I gave a present to each of the women in the room. Where is the error? Woman. Okay, thank you. This is the error. How can I correct it?
Women.
Women. Thank you very much. Now,
9.
can I say, think of another answer.
Each woman.
We cross off and
Uh-huh. Think of another answer. Each
woman.
Each woman.
of the women. Each of the women. Okay.
Each woman.
Now, if I say all. All of the women. All of the women. Yeah, this is another answer.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Each means that I think in one person at the time. No, every all.
And every means what?
All.
All.
But each that I think in one
In
person.
this sense, you are right. But again, grammatically, it is accepted. Grammatically, it is accepted. Next one, number 10.
9.
Number 9. Yes, number 9.
One of my favorite places, error place, we use places. Plural.
Come, please, and do it. Number 10. Number 10.
No wrong.
Here, no change.
Place is good. Number 10. تفضلي.
No wrong.
No change. You are right. Come and write it. No change.
It's impossible for one human being to know every language in the world. Languages. The language.
To know every language. Good. Come and do it. And finally, the last one.
I found each of the errors in this exercise. Errors.
Good. I found each of the errors. Each of the errors. Can you give another answer for the last one? Each of the errors.
Each error.
Each error. Yes, good. Write it. Thank you. Each error. Good. Now, next exercise. Yeah, complete the exercise with what? Of or zero article. Or zero article. Yeah, come please. Number 1. I saw. Thank you. You are right. Next one. Yes, come please.
I saw several of the students.
Several of. Good. Next one. Yeah, come.
Several of your students.
Okay, several of your students. Good. Yeah, next one. Most of your students. Good. Next one. Good. Come. Most of them. I know. Yeah. Zero article. Good. Yeah. Yes, please.
I know many of those students.
I know many of those. Thank you. Come. Yeah, come please. And come, you come. And you come. I know. Yeah, many of them. Yeah. Many of. I know a lot of. I know a lot of. Yes, a lot of. A lot of students. Yeah, next one. Yes, come. Oh, sorry, I changed it. Go on. Oh. Next one. Yeah.
None of those.
None of.
And none of them.
And finally. Yeah.
None of them.
None of them. Now look at the exercise. Look at the exercise. Several students. Several of the students. And several of your students. Most of your students. Most of them. Now, what's the difference between several of the students and several students? Do you think there is a difference between them? Yeah.
In several students, it's not a specific
Very good.
noun.
Now, when I say several students, okay, several people are sitting at home, are having a holiday today, right? It is Saturday. Several students are absent. Several students, this is general, not specific. And when I say,
It's a specific noun.
yeah, when I say several of the students, I'm talking about a specific group of the students. Okay? Several of the students. So this is a specific and this is what? General, not specific. Again, several of your students and several of them. When do we use of? She said we use of when we are talking about specific, when the noun is specific. And when we have your, them, those, them, yeah. This is what? A pronoun. Very good. So again, we use of, yeah. Can you summarize?
We use of with the specific noun or pronoun, and we use the article with non-specific noun.
Good. Thank you very much. I bought one book. And I bought what? Many books. Now, with some expressions of a quantity, of is not used when the noun is what? Okay, now, I bought one book. I bought what? Many books. We don't use what? Of is not used when the noun is non-specific. Many books. A group of books. This is general. Okay? Now, one book. It can be any book. Did I identify the book? No. So, the noun is not specific, is non-specific. Of is not used. Look at the other group. One of those books. When I say those books, those students, those pens, I'm talking about a specific group of. Okay? Some of the books. Many of my books. Most of them. So it's used with what? They express specific nouns. So, and the pronouns. Of is used with specific nouns and pronouns. Okay. And when we have general nouns, we don't use of. I have a lot of books. Is this specific?
No.
No. Okay. I have read a lot of those books. When I say, look, those books, this is a specific noun, right? But books, this is non-specific. So even though we used of is a part of the expression. Okay? We cannot say, I have a lot books, for example. So it is a part of the expression. We use of even though we have non-specific nouns. So, yeah, read please. Yeah.
Some expressions of quantity like a lot of always include of whether the noun in non-specific or specific.
That's right. A lot of. This is one of the expressions. We don't mind whether the noun is specific or not specific. We should use of. Okay? So in general, of is used with the pronouns and with the specific nouns, except in some expressions like a lot of. Yeah. Yeah.
Why we can say I have a lot of?
A lot. We have lots of books. You can say it is not used. A lot. You say a lot of, or you say lots of. But a lot alone is not used in English. Okay? We say a lot of books or lots of books. Okay? What are the expressions of a quantity? We mentioned the expressions of a quantity. Just let's have a quick look on the expressions of a quantity. Yeah, read please.
1 of, 2 of, half of, 50% of, 3/4 of, a majority of, hundreds of, thousands of, millions of.
Thank you. So they are what? Expressions of a quantity. They can be used with, some of them with of and some without. You know, one, you can say one man came, one of the men came, okay?
Yes.
Or, but you say half of this is necessary to use. Okay? 50% of this is necessary to use. Sometimes you can delete it, you can use the expression without of, and sometimes you should use it. Yeah. Yes, please, go on.
All of, each of, every, almost all of, most of, many of, much of, a number of, a great deal of, a lot of.
Thank you. They are expressions of quantity. You know, when it is between the brackets, it means it can be omitted. And finally, the last one, Suha.
Some of, several of, a few of, a little of, hardly any of, none of, no.
Good. And you know, some of them is used with count, others with non-count, other with the plural. You know that. We talked about this before. This is an exercise. Complete the sentences with Of or zero article? Of or zero article? Yeah.
Some students are lazy, most students are
Come
hardworking.
and write it. Some students are lazy. Most students are hardworking. Good. Yeah? Yes, come.
Some of the students in Mr. Gates' class are a little lazy.
Some of the students. Good. Come, please.
I usually get a lot of mail.
A lot of mail. Good. Next one.
A lot of mail, I get a junk mail.
Okay, is junk mail. Good. Come. A lot of mail. Yes, please.
Most books, zero article.
Which one?
Number 7.
Number 7, most box. Good. Yeah. 8. It is specific. Good. We are talking about Ali's box. Good. Yeah, come. Come. I bought a few books. Good. Yes, come.
I have read a few of those books.
I have read a few of those books. Good. Next one. Yeah. Which one you are doing? I'm new. Okay, number 11. Yeah, go on. Yeah, it is 0. Read it, please. I'm new here.
I'm new here. I don't know many people.
Good, thank you. Yes, come. Then you two come. And finish the exercise.
I just moved into a new apartment. I don't know many of my neighbors.
Many of. Good. And finally, millions of people. Correct the errors again. What's on? Correct the errors. Number 1. Yeah, read number 1 and identify the error.
That book contains many different kinds of story and
Okay, that book. Many different.
Many different kinds.
Wait, please. Many different. Now, where is the error? Identify the error. Underline the error. First of all, just a minute. She can clean what you wrote. This is one. Good. Another error. Look. Story. Good. This is another error. And
Contains.
just a minute. Look at the beginning. That book.
Contains.
That book contains. So, keep it. It is okay. It's okay. Contains, yeah. Good, thank you very much. Now listen. When you join a group of words with and, there should be a certain sequence. Now we are using nouns. You use singular, pen, comma, a pen, comma, a book, and a bag, for example. Singular, singular, and singular.
Yes.
Since you started with a plural, you should use a plural and plural. Number 2. Suha. Read it.
In my country, there is a lot of schools.
There is a lot of schools. Where is the error? Is. Good. Correct it. There are. Good. Thank you. Next one, Yasmin.
She is always willing to help her friends in every possible ways, in every possible way.
You are right. Thank you. In every possible way. Good. Next one, number 4. Yes, Najwa.
The past horses were.
Horses were. Complete. Go on. Look at another error. Means. Very good. You are right. Thank you. Number 5. Yes. Armies. Good. Thank you. Write it. Next one. Yeah. Come, please.
There are a lot of equipment.
There are.
A lot of equipment.
Okay. Write it. Read it.
There are a lot of equipment.
There are equipment. A lot of. There are a lot of equipment.
A non-count is
So we use there are or there is?
there is.
There is. Good. There is. Thank you. Next one. Okay. Let's complete the exercise 7.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, come please. Read it.
I have a 5 years old daughter and 3 years old son.
Where is the error? Hyphen. Okay. Thank you. Now listen. This is okay. This is a noun, right? And this is a noun modifier. It modifies the noun. When we use numbers with the noun modifier, we should hyphen. The modifier should be hyphenated. Again, okay, a 3. This is son. Another noun. So the modifier should be hyphenated. Next one, number 7. Come, please, come.
Most of people in my apartment building are free. Because they are free.
Where is the error? First of all, is. Look. Okay. Now we are talking about most of the people. Most of the people are. You are right, correct it. Most of the people are not is. Yeah. Yeah. What about the other words? Look, apartments building. Apartments building. Yeah, that's right.
No, it is right.
You know, she's right. She's right. Apartment building.
Yes.
Yeah. Apartment building.
Yes, teacher.
Sorry? Thank you. Good. A good answer. Most. This is number. Most of the people. Yes, most of the people. You are right. Good. Most of the people in. Because we are talking about a specific noun.
Teacher.
Yeah. Number 7. What about number 7? Sorry? Between the two words. Yeah, between. Between, I have 3 words, so the hyphen is written between the words. I have 3 words, I can write 2 hyphens. Okay?
That's between numbers.
Yeah, when we use numbers with the modifier. So this expression, when I say 5-year-old, it modifies the noun. So noun modifiers should be hyphenated. I use the hyphen between the words. So now I have 3 words. They take what? They take 2 hyphens. Anyhow, time is over. Complete the other 3 sentences and check your answers. Thank you very much. And see you on Monday, inshallah.